I'll guide you through how to build a mob farm in Minecraft. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Prepare your materials as follows for this mob farm. Find a nearby ocean location for optimal spawning. Tower up to exactly 20 blocks high from the ocean surface. Make an 8x8 platform at this height. Add 2 double chests and 4 hoppers connected to both double chests for item collection. Tower up an additional 21 blocks and add 9 blocks, extending in every direction to create a larger platform. Tower up 3 more blocks and make another platform level. Now add 3 block-high walls around the perimeter and add a rooftop to complete the spawning chamber. Place trapdoors strategically for mob movement. Place water on every side pit to push mobs toward the center. Light up both the rooftop and your AFK platform to prevent unwanted spawning. AFK on the platform and wait for mobs to fall down and be collected.